room here at Coronado Springs in the main Grand Destino Tower. So come check out our room. First, you come up and you have a bathroom. It's super nice. These countertops are really nice. I like the shorter countertops because you don't need the space. The shower is beautiful. Look at that tile work. Ooh, 2 shower heads. That'll be super nice. They do have, they're doing the new built-in shampoo and conditioner stuff with the Disney branded things. And then we have just a bathroom over here. And now let's continue through the rest of the resort, or the rest of the room. So, got a little closet space over here. It's just full lid closet. You have a little lockbox and stuff. There's extra pillows and stuff. And then, oh, I didn't even mention, look at the flooring. No carpet. We got probably a laminate flooring. Oh, it's still on. We have a laminate flooring in here. 2 very large beds. One of the things that Disney is doing is they're lifting their beds and leaving them open so you can throw your luggage down underneath there. We have a beautiful bench right here, which I'm sure you just put your luggage on top of. It's really beautiful leather. I mean, very nicely textured. Then get into the room, and we have a long countertop space with a chair, which also has that same textured leather. And then I love this wallpaper. Come over here and check out this wallpaper. We got little Mickeys on it. It is so cute. But it's been kind of crazy here getting checked into the resort. There's a lot of people, and it seems like they're having issues with having people assigned to rooms. So we originally booked a standard view room. They tried to upgrade us to a suite, which would have been nice, but there's 4 adults in here, and there was just a pull-out couch, so not really ideal. But it does seem like with the mix-up, they have gotten us a better view. So come and take a look at this view. Oh, come on, separate. Ooh, there we go. So we have a great view over here. Like I said, we're in the main tower, so you see all of the older resort rooms and stuff like that. There's the main pool over there, and you can even see Animal Kingdom way over there. So also in the room comes with a Chris who got a, no, show it off. He got a tank top tan today. Oh, that's so bad. All right, we're gonna go enjoy the pool now. I'll see you guys over by the Grand, yes you are. I'll go see you guys over by the awesome pool now. So as you know, what we're doing at all of the resorts is getting the special resort pin. So this is the Coronado Springs Resort pin. It's super cute. I love that it's Mickey shaped. It's just a really pretty pattern, kind of classy and updated like this resort has been now. So I absolutely love this new pin. We're gonna go to the pool now. Chris has some sunscreen to put on those arms. Yeah, and just enjoy the pool with the mind. We're done at the pool, so now we're going to shower and get ready for the evening, and we're gonna go to some of the different bars here.
The bar over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the 3 bridges. I want to say 3 decks. 3 bridges bar, along with some of the new lounges in the tower. So that'll be super fun. I'll see you guys when we're all dressed and looking good. All right, we're all cleaned up. We're gonna head over to 3 bridges bar right now. So that's gonna be super fun. I'll see you guys over there. here at the Three Bridges Bar and Grill at Via del Lago. Obviously, it's a lot of drinks. We actually ordered a pitcher of rosé sangria, and it's a lot of small shareable things with a few entrees. It's a very limited menu here, but it looks really good. We ordered 3 out of 5 of the shareable appetizer type foods, as well as 2 of the entrees out of 6 of them. So really excited to try those things when they come in. Is the rosé sangria that we got. Let's try it out.
This is strong.
This has a very strong wine flavor. What is that I'm tasting?
There's a menu in front of you. It's got some other things in it.
That's
Yeah,
strong.
you want to try that?
This has, I can't read this. Some rosé wine, Puerto de Indias, strawberry gin. Oh, it's strawberry gin. Apricot brandy. Oh, there's everything in here. Apricot brandy, raspberry, and apple. And Chris got the bourbon breeze, similar color, a little lighter.
It's strong.
That's strong, which is good though. I mean, you're spending a good penny, like you want decent port drinks. So I think the first thing I'm gonna try is the cheese dip over here. You already got a taste, Mom. What did you think?
It's got a good spice to it.
All right, so here's the cheese dip, which also came with a little lime wedge, which they recommend putting on there for a little tang. That's very good cheese dip. Got a little spice to it. A little spice to the cheese. Let's try the hummus. Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, the hummus is yeah.
I got some of it. I must not got as much. Ooh.
Is this pita?
He's very Indian.
It's got bread.
Oh yeah, got a little spice on whatever the brown thing is. Be careful. We got the burger as well. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff. Ooh.
It's like a smoked aioli.
We requested it medium and it's cooked perfectly, so that's awesome to see.
That has good flavor.
What's on the burger? That's so good. What's on it, Chris? Do you know? This burger is good. This burger is super good. It's the roasted garlic lemon aioli that makes that super good. And yeah, all of the entrees and the shrimp corn dogs, and come with a French fry. And it also comes with a, what kind of aioli is this? An aioli. So.
I think this is the shrimp one.
The aioli is really good. It's a good French fry. Now I got the shrimp corn dog, which is absolutely adorable, okay? And whatever sauce comes with it. Alright, so the shrimp corn dog. So the dough is really soft, not really crispy, and the shrimp is cooked really well. I do have to say, like, it doesn't snap like a hot dog, so you do kind of have to bite in to get the shrimp kind of off of it without just pulling the corn dog outward layer on it.
One of that in half.
But it was really good. All right, and then we got
Almost looks like a
the
veggie biscuit, doesn't it?
chicken biscuit. Ooh, that looks good. What is that? It's very like buttery. The biscuit is very soft, a very soft, doughy biscuit. Oh, tasting the blue cheese, yeah. That was very good. The biscuit is very soft, so it kind of crumbles a little bit. All right, now we're gonna try the pork taco. Yeah, but it's not.
Dude,
it's in the
I
back.
haven't hit it yet.
Here's the pork taco.
This one?
You're right. It is a really sweet. Where's your napkin? It's like kind of cinnamony. It tastes really good though. What was everyone's favorite?
My favorite was the burger, then the sliders.
Okay, so Chris said burger then slider. I would say burger then taco. Or the shrimp corn dogs. Those were really good.
I like the shrimp corn dogs.
I really like the taco, so I'm gonna say burger and then shrimp taco. What about you?
The shrimp was, I mean, it was all really good.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's a favorite.
Okay. So burger number 1. So torn. I'm thinking pork taco number 2.
So we're gonna finish up the food here, and then go hit up one of the lounges in the main lobby, or in the main building, either the lobby bar or the rooftop bar. So I'll see you guys over there. So we're here at the Dahlia Lounge, which is an absolutely beautiful bar, and the view is stunning. You have a great view of Hollywood Studios, a little bit of EPCOT on the side, as you can see from the video, and if not, I'll insert a photo that Chris got. You can see Galaxy's Edge all lit up at night. It looks absolutely beautiful. So we got a couple drinks up here just to wrap up the evening. I got the tequila Daisy. Which is really good. You can taste the tequila, but it's not like tequila, you know what I mean? So it's a really good flavor. And then you got the
Alla Prima Manhattan.
and that's strong, right?
Bourbon.
That's 94 proof, like Southern bourbon. So it's a really strong drink. But is it good?
Oh yeah.
I mean, you like bourbon, so
It's
it's so good. And then Mom got
The Grand Gin Tonic. How is it? It's really good. It's very refreshing. It's got some orange in it, you know. So yeah, it's very good.
I got a Diet Coke because I'm driving the elevator tonight.
I just want to give my Coronado Springs Resort wrap-up review. First of all, we determined that we are in a room that does have the blue like crossing, and you don't see the blue in the room, so that's really good to know. I thought you would probably see a little bit more of a blue glow, but you don't. But overall, the resort is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and I believe potentially it will be upgraded into a deluxe resort. Right now Coronado Springs is still categorized as a moderate resort, but this the Grand Destino Tower is absolutely beautiful and really makes it feel like it is a deluxe resort. The room is absolutely beautiful. The restaurants are beautiful. The restaurants and the lounges are absolutely beautiful. The food has been great. Overall, this resort is amazing. I mean, I think for the price we paid and the location is amazing. From the rooftop, bars, we could see every resort. We can see every single resort from this bar, from this tower. And I think it is a great value for its price. Like I said, I cannot repeat enough how beautiful this resort is, and I absolutely loved it, and I hope that I could stay here again. But it is not really that late, but it's getting late, and tomorrow morning we're waking up bright and early to do Star Wars Galaxy's Edge extra magic hours over at Hollywood Studios. See you guys there.